I just want to delete all other streams. Yeah, so we are in live on YouTube. Yeah, we're in live on YouTube. So, one moment, I want to. So, can you hear us well, Daniil? Daniil, I can see. I can't. I can't see you.
Hey, what's up?
Yep. Now I can see. Okay, let's. So let's start. For a moment, I just want to. Want to check sound. I think only only one watching now us. So it's
Oh, great.
yeah.
Who
Yeah, I
is it?
think
Just
it's
text us something in the chat.
yeah, please text us something in the chat.
Support us.
Support the beginners.
Yeah, true. Alex, you can add channel and you can add Telegram and Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and LinkedIn.
Yeah, I know it. But let's do it not now. Let's start it
Why?
now. We just because
Let's go all in.
we supposed we supposed to start it 2 hours ago, Daniel.
Yeah, and you know that you already like your stream is already how to say it's already well it ends last second.
Okay, we're in live. Sorry, guys. 2 people watching us now.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, let's start. I just recreated my event. So, by the way, sorry all for delaying on 2 hours. We just faced with the shitty services, and we we tried to set all these like too many channels and in the stream, and yeah, faced with many problems. And in the second we prepared I think very bad, so like the tomorrow and next days will be better. But we are startuppers, it's just MVP, and you know that every MVP is like first time, so it's normal. But thank you for joining us. So I just like I don't know why, but like the second stream created. I just trying to understand what happened here. So I think we're in live and all is okay now. Yeah. So only one person watching us. Uh, only one person. Yeah, only one person watching us. And yeah, I think now it works. Okay, Daniil, you said like delete send new link in my channel. Okay, I don't know why, but I can hear you.
Maybe now you can hear
Yes,
me.
yes, now you can. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I told you to remove the one stream you already created. Otherwise, some people they may join this old one and see that the old one is like cancelled and like finished, and they just may go out. so we should keep them watching, keep them with us.
Okay, yeah, just post uh, new
New
link
link.
in my channel. Yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Okay, I sent it in the chat, and I need to create delete old link. But we had two channels on
Why?
Twitch and YouTube. No, Twitch and YouTube was good. So
Uh-huh.
we are now in live in Twitch and YouTube. Okay,
Okay, good.
so yeah, let's start. So I'm Alex. I'm founder of High No Code Agency, and this is Daniil. He is founder of Unicorn Agency. So I we create no code products like apps, platforms, CRM systems for businesses and startups. And Daniil create the internet as e-commerce projects, right? For
Yeah, online
yeah.
stores. We create online stores for best e-commerce brands in the United States.
Yeah, but here we're not about the work. So we just a few days ago got the idea. We have sitting at this cafe where we now, and we just got the idea that we can create the startup in 4 days and show it in live. So the first day we will the first day now we are planning the product and choosing the idea. The second day tomorrow we will design it and develop it. The third day we will do marketing and now we will do it or not. If we will have many people who watching this stream, so we will definitely do it. Uh, Daniel, can you do you want to add something?
Yeah, sure. Uh, Line is breaking up. Hey guys, hey everyone. Sorry for waiting us. We are uh, just like very bad in creating live streams, but this will be definitely a lesson, and we will do much better next day. Uh, so yeah, we just come up randomly with this idea, and I think it's very cool. And with showing and streaming how we create new product, how easy it could be to find an idea, start building something, uh, create no-code products and launch it, and use some free marketing channels and acquire some first customers could be much easier. And we wanted to show it to people because we know how it works. Uh, we don't know everything. We just have like we understand some point here, some point there, and this stream challenge, we want to collect all our knowledge in how to build MVP fast and show it to you. And very good thing about what we are doing is everything we will record and create and code and design everything, all materials, all no code integrations, blueprints, mirror table, everything will be available for our viewers. So if you have viewed at least two of our days of our streaming, and you will put some comments in the comment section, you will get all materials. We will give you access to everything created and recorded during these 4 days. But if you didn't watch two of our streams and didn't comment anything in the comment section, sorry, watch carefully, otherwise you cannot get access to it. Yeah, I think we are we are fine, and we already spent a lot of time preparing everything. So Alex, let's start. First step, first stage. We already introduced our this event, so let's start with ideas. I think we should create like a table, a list of ideas, and then we will choose some like best ideas that we like more, and then we will start brainstorming, pitching, and uh, figuring out what we will do next.
Yeah, I will just notice very important points that we will create the MVP for startup, and it will be AI startup with the integration GPT-3. So and yes, now we and it will be created with no code tool, Bubble or Dala, probably Bubble. Sorry, probably a Dala, and
Come on, man. We
yeah,
don't know what is the idea we are building. How can you say what platform we are going to use?
I'm very experienced in
Uh,
no code.
come
No,
on,
no
come on. It's gonna be eh, now we choose idea. We, but yeah, the concept is true. We are preparing a startup, a product MVP with no code using AI technologies. But what the platform and how it will work, please don't go in advance. Just like, let's discuss idea first.
Yeah. So yeah, we have our own ideas. What it could be. So what I suggest now to do. So I have mirror board, and we can go to this mirror board and um, this mirror board. If the market has like similar ideas, or like why these ideas, for example, why like one of the idea better than others, by like product description, like according for needs for the clients, according for like for example, let's say uh, yeah, like according to markets, for example, according to like unfair advantages, right? So yeah, I just forgot this this word. Okay, so and let's start with the mirror board. So I want to share my screen, share my window. Okay, can you see my window, right? Okay, yeah. And let's go to the sticky note, and let's start with you, Daniil. So, what do you think about mm, AI products? So let's just discuss ideas of each other, and then maybe Google something. But I'm sure that we don't need Google ideas, so we have our own ideas for now.
Yeah, but also share with me the access to the computer.
Oh yeah.
I will be able to show some. Um, yeah, while you are sharing access, send me the.
Okay.
What,
It's just I can hear you very well. It's just where for some reason it became louder.
how about now?
Yeah, now it's good.
Okay,
Yeah, it's much better. So I will send the link to the board in Telegram.
good. So idea number one. Since I work a lot with e-commerce and I know merchants and e-commerce owners, founders a lot. I have an idea of creating a one like very simple application that has uh, AI generator for AI content generator for most of content pieces on online store. For example, once merchant go to our application, he or she has access. He can or she can choose like content for website, like prepare text for landing pages, or prepare product page descriptions, or prepare meta titles and meta descriptions for products. So everything that has any text content on website could be created with the app, and you just click, choose what you have to create, and then you click and you just input some data about your product or about your brand name, and you get the result, and then you can just copy and paste it to Shopify or any other platform you use.
Okay, can you please repeat these small parts on the website which can be created, for example?
Okay. For example, uh, like landing page content, banners, and different texts, collection text, description of collections, description of brand. Then it could be product descriptions, everything related to product page, and description of product parameters and some characteristics. It could be search engine optimization content like meta titles, meta descriptions, uh, everything for search engine optimization. And it could be blog for e-commerce. For example, like you can just simply create blog for the chosen topic. That's what I actually use sometimes for my clients. For my course, I use first I create blog ideas, and then I create blog.
Okay, so I think about this idea, it's good. But I have just one question. So I know that, for example, content on the landing page AI can create like good marketing offers, for example, or because, for example, I when I buy the good, I need to understand that it's good, like the best one in the world, and so uh, yeah, text blocks like like landing page description or good description.
So
Oh,
the
I can
answer
hear you now,
is,
Daniel. I
so
can
question
hear you.
is, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Now, yes,
Okay.
yeah.
So your question is, to sum up, is AI capable of making good marketing text?
It's you're lagging now. Mobile connections. Now I can. Yes. Can you say
Okay,
something?
good. Yeah,
Yeah.
can you hear
Now it's
me?
good. Yeah. Continue.
Yeah, thanks, Alex, for a strong, powerful connection today. Uh, okay, so yeah, your question was about AI, if it's capable of marketing offers. Yes, it's capable, because you can fine tune model, and train model, and make sure. So you can give them, you can give the AI model some data about how marketing offers should look like, what it should include, and so on. So yeah, you can pre-train model, and it will be absolutely fine. I bet it will be better than average Upwork marketing copywriter. So it's worth trying.
Okay. I got it. So we first introduce our ideas, and then we'll estimate them for like product side, or we first make this estimation. What do you think? Okay, let's.
First, we go to we should collect all the ideas, right?
Okay,
So yeah,
okay.
one by one.
You are the first idea. Okay, my the first idea, right? Next.
Yes, your turn.
Okay, I have many ideas about AI, of course, because I always have many ideas.
You have two
But
minutes.
okay, but so I think the main one is about the content. So I know that there's some products now in life which um, uh, will help you create uh, content for LinkedIn, for Twitter, for other um, for other social networks. But the thing is that so yeah, the first idea that creating the content um, for Twitter and LinkedIn, but it will be created according for to like the most the best posts. So like yeah, let's I can describe it very quick. So because I have a problem of creating content, so I will do it good in Russian, but in English I always get stuck in the like big posts. You know, you need to think much what how it is better create in English, and you know in Russian you can write well. How to say about so we call it grammatic, yeah, like places of the words, for example. And in English, it is much harder to make the same right way like in Russian. And the idea is that you will create mm, let's say the core of the post. For example, I want to write that I am founder of No Code Agency. We develop apps with no code, and like no code is better than the code 1 2 3 4. So I just have this idea. So I have these many ideas that I want to talk, but I don't want to create whole post. So so you will create the core of the post, and then AI will give to you completed completed post. And then the future of this idea, or we can I think create it today too, not today, sorry, in this 4 days. So say optimization of this post. So it will be so automatically, if yeah, if you want to use people from which sphere you want to show it, and then it will be automatically will be added like hashtags and keywords and so on. So like in there, it's optimization in this post. Yeah, it's that's all. I think that's part of the idea. Do you have comments about that? Yeah, Daniel, what do you think about this idea? I can I can't hear you now. Yeah, you just freezed. Okay. Yeah, now I can hear you.
I'm back in game. Okay. So I think that it's to make a short summary. You proposed an application for generating LinkedIn posts, right?
And Twitter. Yep.
And Twitter.
Yep.
Okay.
And but it won't be just like write me a post. You need to create the core of the post, and I so yeah, the main topics, and it will be
Hmm.
great the completed post. Yeah.
Hmm. I think I have seen some applications that are doing like Twitter, Twitter posts, like many, and I have seen couple of like LinkedIn creation, LinkedIn
Yeah.
content generator.
Yeah.
But yeah, right now we don't judge ideas. We just collect
Yep.
ideas, and then we next step we will judge them, pitch them again.
Okay. That's the second tier idea.
Hmm. Okay, actually, I came here only with one idea, but we'll freestyle right now, right? Because it's a lifestyle stream. um, so when talking about AI and ChatGPT, I think we should focus focus more on some. Uh,
Oh, я now in live. А, у меня новый стрим создался вообще. Hello, can you hear me? Shit, it will be... okay. Can you hear me now? Ты подключился? Hello, guys. Sorry for that. We we are like really professionals in stream, and yeah, sorry for waiting. So we stopped on the idea too, Daniel. Can you introduce your idea?
yeah,
Second idea.
let's make as someone already commented, it was really good idea. How about to make a new application for streaming? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Actually, I think today was really when we prepared this. We did a lot of mistakes, and we still. I feel like uh, very unprepared in terms of how we like launched everything and started stream. And maybe great idea for ChatGPT will be for using the AI in ChatGPT will be to create guides for different uh, like camera related things. Imagine you are doing a stream for like about startups or gaming stream, or you're just only fans model. You don't know how to behave yourself and how to prepare and how to move in front of camera. But ChatGPT can give you, but not ChatGPT, sorry, just AI can give you uh, like step-by-step instruction, and you can follow this instruction. You will feel better, you will feel guided, and you will follow it, and you will be more confident in front of camera. I think if someone will prepare us today a very good instruction step by step on how to start and how to launch everything and how to prepare, we will be better prepared, and all our viewers, everyone that who are watching us right now, will be more happy. So everyone win. Yeah.
I'm absolutely agree with you, and I just a little story how it was. Like for example, one of our mistake was not prepare the place because we wanted to rent a co-working space, but in
Is it,
Bangkok.
is it new idea? Are you explaining new idea or just
No, no, I want to just comment that
uh,
it's very cool because, for example, so we have many guides, so you can Google like how to stream, how to prepare to stream, right? But we have this exact case in Bangkok, and this is very important because we haven't find co-working spaces which will work up 24 hours, right? And where you can buy the membership after 6 p.m. So we just couldn't do that, and so it was like very stressful. And but I think this ChatGPT can advise this for answers. So what in this particular case how to do it because uh, yeah, sorry, we're again in live. Daniel, can you connect? Yeah. So okay, the next idea will be about the English. So I, as you noticed, I have not the best English, and I want to learn it uh, in my professional tasks. For example, I make many calls in English, and I can make transcriptions of these calls. For example, I write emails in English. What else I do in English? So I make notes in English. And what if we can in the mm, yeah, what if you can upload the information in English, for example, your transcriptions, your messages. So we need to think how to take and like yeah, take all these content in one place, but it's like it's the future. But what if I can just upload the content which I already created in English, and ChatGPT will say me like my main mistakes, so and help me with some um, yeah with
Like
with
Grammarly.
what I, like Grammarly, but it will be created like a guide for you what you need to improve for these mistakes in your past communications. Like
So you mean about grammar rules you have to learn,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
but
yeah,
but
because yeah.
but this is not just for like texting your. It's not for immediate results. It's just for learning in long term, right?
Yeah, yeah. You will have the guide, and maybe like the next idea, create like special. It will be created with AI too. So create tasks for um what? Yeah, for learning these particular mistakes, for example. So again, you upload the content with your um, communications, and then just the app was say you like yeah where are you bad in English, and maybe you will like if after posting the content you will see uh, your mistakes, and you will see how how much is them, and it will be motivated you go to the tutor, or you can send this report to the tutor, and you can direct study with tutor about your mistakes. So yeah, that's all. That's the second idea. What do you think?
About this.
Yeah.
Well, that's good, but it sounds more like a good feature for Grammarly, because to use your application, someone needs to upload a lot of content and how to get it. Like,
Yeah.
it's all, if you are writing emails, you already use Grammarly, right? So you don't have like bad version of your text with some mistakes. But Grammarly can have it because they have your keyboard, and if they have your keyboard, they have a history, and if they have history, they can get all the data with mistakes, all the text with mistakes, and then analyze all mistakes and give you like a list of rules and everything you have to learn. But yeah, I'm not sure if it will work with like just your personal use if you develop the application standalone. Okay, but we don't judge ideas right now. We just come up with new ideas. Um, yeah, we go next. Are you freezed? I, hey, Alex. I think Alex is freezed again. Maybe he's very he's not very happy. Maybe we just say to our best viewers, why I'm not freezed. You are only you freezed. I'm not.
Now I'm in life. Yeah. Hello.
Okay, good. So Alex, what do you feel? Maybe we should consider like moving this to next day, tomorrow.
Nah.
Uh, Prepare the list. We can finish list of ideas and continue tomorrow. I think 1 hour will be enough for today. because we have a lot of problems with internet. People
Yeah.
are not happy.
Okay. Let's finish and discuss the ideas. So and
Mhm.
we'll try to create like the product description. If we will have many issues, we will move it to tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Your idea, the third idea. You will.
Okay, my idea will be again for e-commerce. It will be for e-commerce email marketing. Um, so AI could be used for email marketing in many different ways, from like content ideas, also for like just email texts, and even it can have some content for like banners or images, but it can be very general. And my idea of this particular app is we will target users of Klaviyo and OmniSend, like two popular email marketing solutions for in e-commerce. We will have direct integration with them, and we will offer customers to use will offer e-commerce merchants to use our app. So AI will generate for them the whole concept of branded email marketing campaign that will be like with many different like steps. Usually, it's very complex, multi-flow email marketing campaign, branded with unique content, and that's what our application can make. So, if you will go to email marketing specialist in the United States, you will pay at least $500 to create this email marketing campaign for your brand. But with our AI application, they can create not only content for one email, they can create a chain of emails. For example, once your customer subscribe for newsletter, he or she get email, then in 3 days he or she get a new email, and then like there could be up to 10 or 20 steps in the chain. And the value of this application is that you receive a complete chain, and you can import the chain right to your online store. You will import the complete email marketing campaign. Yeah, so it's like AI email marketing campaign.
Okay. Okay. It sounds like this. Yeah. Sounds good, but. I have the same point like in the first idea. So uh, I sure that AI now can create content which really will like mm, fire content like it will be
Of course,
easy.
man, we can
Yeah.
teach AI whatever we want. We give AI, first, we can give to AI some email campaigns from famous brands. There are some services we can download famous email marketing campaigns.
Okay. Okay. So uh, so I hate legal stuff. Uh, shit.
Hey, what's up?
Sorry.
Your life.
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry, guys, for this chat, but tomorrow we will continue with the best quality. And now we just, discuss the ideas, and tomorrow we'll continue the product part. Okay, so So the fourth idea will be, yeah, for legal. So it will be two parts. So first one, legal questions. Um, when I've been in United States 1 year, I faced with many questions about legal, about law, and you can't find the answer in the internet in your particular case. So I think like the important point about AI, that it can help you in your particular cases, because when you, like, for example, have tourist visa, what type of business to open for you, and in this, for this particular case, you couldn't find answer really, and this that's why it will be like your lawyer, right? Yeah, lawyer. So I think it's not right wasn't here, but okay. Yeah, I think you understood me. So you will just stop the questions, we'll and we'll get answer what you need to. Yeah, thank you, Daniel. What you will need to do in your particular case, and so that's the second thing about the contracts and the other documents. So okay, you can find now the templates of like NDA, for example, of the contract with clients, but you for creating new document, you need to go to lawyer and talk with him how it's better to write down and so on. But now, with this app, you will need to just um, write the what do you want, what type of the document you want to create, and like, and your requirements. For example, I don't know, I need to make sure that 1 2 3, and I will get the completed document in like a few seconds. So documents creation. Daniel, what do you think?
Yeah, it's a good topic. I also I was checking for such application to make to generate contract templates. I think that what people really need is to have accessible and very and um, open like database of contracts and law stuff
Yeah,
for the
yeah, yeah.
company,
I think
for freelancers, for this stuff.
Yeah, I think we can take many documents, and according of these documents, teach teach yeah teach AI to create the best documents for particular cases. So that's the idea. Okay, Daniel, do you have other ideas? It's a good brainstorm,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. I like the law, the contract thing. Um, so I also have an idea for agency owners and for agency managers, everyone who work in agency. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Now,
Okay. Okay. Um, so yeah, my idea is for all kind of agency workers, owners, managers, everyone who work in agency. It's AI generator for uh, communication inside of agency with your boss or with your client or making summary. So it's something like agency assistant, because in agency you communicate a lot. You communicate with your project managers, designers, developers. You may have tons of communication, and most of your day you will spend on explaining things, writing messages, and so on and so on. And sometimes quality of the writing is not good, and you have to explain in detail something that already was explained many times. So I think every communication can be uh, all types of communication can be divided on like brief, uh, project document, uh, and like some any other and yeah, client communication. So this AI tool can take can read your communication in your Slack or Discord, and then prepare summary for every like chat that you have, just like clicking on button, and then you'll get a summary and convert it to the document you need. Maybe it's a brief, maybe it's just a summary of your daily discussion, or it's a summary for client or what's going on in the project. Alex, did you hear me?
Uh, so am I right? It will be a generator. Um, yeah, for communication side the agency, it's like will be internal tool how to communicate with the with developer, with the client, with the like with but it will be more for internal use for
Yeah, yeah,
communicate.
yeah. Yeah. The usage is for it's not only about internal communication. It's about any kind of communication of agency. Maybe even emails. Maybe it can make a summary of your emails, and it could be related to all kind of communication. But of course, the owner, the main user is inside of agency. Alex, you disappear again. Hey guys, anyone watching us, if you are still here, say something in the chat. We need your reactions, likes, comments, subscribers. Uh, please follow me in Twitter. Here will be my Twitter nickname. 9 people watching us. Yeah. Hi everyone.
Yeah, thank you. Now we're eight. Please, yeah. By the way, Daniel, I have the idea. Maybe we will post this Miro in the open source and make like
Voting.
poll. Yeah, poll. What's which? But it won't be good with like by product rules because
No,
uh,
no, no, no good, no good, no good. But
but
we can let's start tomorrow. Tomorrow we will make a decision. Today we just repeat the ideas. We will post them to public. Everyone who want to continue watching this reality show about making product, you can participate. You can give some pros and cons and say something about any of the idea mentioned before, or you can add something good. We will read it tomorrow, and we will pitch again the best ideas. We will pitch, and after pitching to each other, we will finally decide which one is really like hot idea that we want to work on. So your help or your participation will be counted, because maybe you can give us an idea. Yeah, we are. It's right for product management, for product management frameworks, to hear people, listen for people feedback. So yeah, you can give us feedback on ideas, and we will use it tomorrow to choose the best idea. Okay, Alex, let's go. Idea
by
4.
the way, by the way, so if you have your own AI ideas, please
Yeah,
send it, my blog in file blog in Telegram or in this chat now or in our Twitters, and yeah, we will discuss these ideas and maybe choose one of the your idea because on the next stream tomorrow we will show how to do right choosing of the idea. So we will very quick estimate the market. We will trying to find the similar ideas, and we will try to think how much time and money it can be saved, because it is like the most important thing in products. So all products save like energy, time, or yeah, or money. But yeah, we have some ideas for just a cool thing, uh, just like Instagram. But yeah, it's like it works too. Okay, so we have the idea. So I have the fifth idea about helping. Yeah, about help. So it will be like helper.
Wait. You only had before three ideas. How did you skip from idea three to idea five?
Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, yeah, it was a little bit scam. So the fourth idea will be about help. So the general idea that when you start a new profession, new hobby, new yeah, just new profession, new hobby, you will have many questions. So when you will learn how to do something, you have many questions. And yes, of course, you can go to the Google, but in Google, most of the times, okay, first thing, most of the people can't Google, right? Like go to all 10 or 20 pages, trying to analyze all websites and so on. Yes, help you to cases.
Hello, people.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So what? Okay. So helper will help you if you start to mm, to new professional or hobby. It will help to answer any question. For example, I as an code developer have like not I'm not a code developer. I'm founder of Academy, but when I developed the projects, it's like my hobby. I have many ideas, and not ideas, sorry, many questions about how to do right thing, and I can quick to find out the answer. And when you know coder or coder, you know about ChatGPT and probably will go there. But we will have some segments of people who don't know about GPT. For example, um, people who trying to learn how to play the guitar. So I'm sure that there are there are many people, different segments, and for example, people who are not familiar with IT and with the technical background, they don't know about GPT-3, and so I want to help like usual usual people, not IT people, to help with learning this their hobbies. I don't know which hobbies yet, but it's just yeah, the idea.
Good idea, but
Uh,
probably need some extra extra work on it. I didn't get it. Like it has too many cases. Like how people will come up with using your application. What in what process? Uh,
I think it will be just a few segments of new hobbies. For example, playing the guitar. I don't know. The second, no code. The third one, like how to cook, and so on. And so
But so it will be instead of Google.
yeah, but in Google you need to find you know. So the question about education and the Google that people can't Google it in the right way and can't, for example, don't have how do you say they don't want to go to like 20 pages to get answers on their questions. But in this, and if you study something, you need to get answer, I think, very quick. Or if you can't get answer very quick, it will be study will like worse for you because it's like
Hmm.
will be bad shit, I think. But yeah, we just explain the ideas. So
Hmm.
your idea, your the fifth
Yeah,
idea.
yeah. Look, I have now on my uh, people who wanna subscribe me. I have Twitter mentioned advertisement. Okay, idea number 5. It's AI kids book generator. Uh, First idea, not about e-commerce, or not related to my job, but this thing I feel it has a very it can have a huge market. Many people will be happy to use this instead of purchasing new kids book every week or even every day for their children. Because right now the market is working like that. People subscribe for some expensive books, publishers who publish kids books and fairy tales, and then they purchase them for subscription and read them to their children or give them to children. That could be quite expensive, and sometimes these books, they're just not cool, or they have some like strange content. So it could be a kids book generator where each parent can program book and put some like
You're phrasing.
ideas. Sorry,
I can hear you
can you hear me?
now. Yes.
Okay. So again, it's kids book generator where every parent can choose upload or choose some ideas or lessons that they want to introduce to their children, or maybe it's a favorite Pokemon, or it's I don't know, favorite character from the movie or from cartoons. Uh, this this AI generated kids book can generate every day at, I don't know, 10 or 100 new books with new ideas, new storytelling, and you can decide who will be the character, what will be the main lesson from this book, and you can personalize it for your child. So you will never have ever problem with what to read or where to find a new book for your child. Yeah, I think Amazon, kids book publishers, they would kill me for this idea
Am I
because it's
right that you want to? Am I right that you
uh,
want to create a child books creation or child stories creator?
uh, yeah, child books, uh, kids
Generator.
book generator, and I think it can also have like it can also have a newsletter with subscription. So you can subscribe for this generator for free and just read some free books to your children generated by AI if you want to test it, and then you can uh, create your own when you are ready. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool.
I love
I
this
have,
idea.
yeah, I don't. It looks like, like B2C, good B2C product. But we introduced only B2C products. Well, oh no, you introduced like, yeah, products for e-commerce. It's
For
B2B.
agency.
Yeah, for
For agency.
agencies. Okay, I have the idea for. I think I introduced only for B2C, right? Yeah. I want to introduce the one of the idea about B2B. Um, which I got like a few days ago. It's a very important point about AI and GPT-3. So when you create a product for B2C, it just it can help to the people, but it help a little bit. So it usually it's not like about saving money and like much money and much time. But when you create something for B2B, it can create a lot of money and a lot of time for the company. And so, like the conclusion is that um, companies can pay more for these ideas, for this product. Sorry, and I think so. Like the idea is to um, it's okay. We just discuss the ideas. I don't know the exact case which I want to create in B2B. I know. Okay, I know some cases from our agency and now with which we're working, but it's secret. But there are many stupid tasks which usually do employees, like very typical stupid task. For example, create the document, so create the report. So can you imagine how much time people spend in the companies for report creating? Sorry. And the general idea, like create the task in place. Would say like stupid but important tasks maker. And for example, let's start with the. For example, yeah, let's start with the reports. I don't know in which field, but uh, Uh, for example, tax report. I know that it's like very sensitive data for in US, for example, but why not? We can try, or like different reports which employees need to make because it's like important for the future. Um, yeah, this is like the point of. I need to think more about this idea because I don't know exact segments, but yeah, for example, tax support. What you can, yeah. What do you think about this idea?
Tax report. Yeah, that
Not
sounds
tax
good.
reports, just different reports.
So, what other reports you have as a company?
For example, I don't know many particular cases. But for example, you need to make report about the month. Many employees need to make reports like what week reports or month reports about some things which happened. And okay, yeah, it's important to fill in right information, but you can fill in like one, two, three, four, five, and it will be created by like a whole document. Like,
Mhm.
okay, in this
Monthly
month we
report
had this,
for whom? Who will read this report?
like in many companies, reports needed for bosses, for heads. They just require it.
Okay.
So
So, internal report just for team,
yeah, internal
for
reports.
your
Yeah, internal
managers.
reports. No, not
Yeah,
for investors.
this could work. I have an idea better. Look, wait, it's for about reports. How about indie hackers and builders and startuppers who are building it public, like you, Alex, because you are building in public and you are sharing your fails and your successes. So imagine you just put some core news from the month. You just put some small notes like plus 10,000, minus, I don't know, 3 employees, one great client, three something, I don't know, cool projects, and maybe you share some ideas, and the rest is generated by AI. So AI will create a storytelling, and it will create some funny and maybe sometimes silly message, like to make it just funny. So you just put raw facts, and AI will generate a funny post with some humor, uh, and you can choose the degree of humor, the black humor or just like funny, not okay humor, or just like little funny, yeah. And you can share this report in your LinkedIn, in your Twitter, Telegram, wherever. It just creates a funny story about some facts that happen with you.
But it will be not so true.
What do you mean not true? You can change some words, but I mean it will create already a good template. You can readjust something, or you can just publish it.
Yeah. Okay. It looks like, yeah, like a content creator too, but more specialized, right?
Yeah, more like personal, sharing your mainly for sharing your results and your achievements.
Okay. For sharing results and achievements. Okay. I have the small idea about the content creators. So I just have some friends uh, or talents. These storytellings they were boring. Like today, you need to drink coffee and then say hello world, hello guys. I'm no code founder. Have a nice good day. And so this, I just read this storytellings. It's like boring shit. But this boring shit is very important for Instagram, for example. And the idea is that create the content plans for bloggers. Yeah, plans, uh, content plans creator for bloggers. You like it?
Yeah, it can be funny. Like it can have like make a prank about something, or just record a stupid video where you eat slime, or you make huge instant noodles in your bath. Uh, yeah, just like regular blogger content plan. I like it. It will be good for
Yeah,
low quality
yeah.
bloggers. Like the niche is very accurate. It's very clear. You just find like very like below the average bloggers and just focus on them. It's easy. Good audience. You can't hear me again.
Daniel, okay. I can hear you freezed. Yeah, now
Yeah,
now
I
it's good.
think YouTube can freeze for such words if we repeat this on YouTube. Okay,
I shared the question on
I,
YouTube.
yeah, Alex, I think that we come up with 6 great ideas. Uh, I
It's freezed.
I'm
Freezed.
freezed.
Now
Okay,
it's okay. Now it's okay.
okay, okay, Alex. I think we already come up with 12, 12. great ideas. Maybe we should.
No,
Uh,
it's very bad. It's very bad. I
we
can't hear you well.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now yes.
Okay. Okay. So we come up with 12 great ideas. Let's just fix it, stop here, and continue tomorrow. We will share these ideas with our audience, with our uh, what people watching us. We will share it. We ask for public opinion. We will give option to comment for everyone. Everyone can comment and leave some feedback. And tomorrow we will start with these 12 ideas, and we will choose. We will make we will divide each idea, and they will fight with each other, and then we will make like a tournament of ideas, and we will choose one that will be a great idea to try test as a hypothesis, and then we will start designing the user journey, jobs to be done, and we will discuss how this idea will solve the problem of the customer. Okay,
I just got
that's
to
cool.
get. So the idea is if you digital nomad, you always change the places. It's you have any problems of getting information about the place, about rules, about some about visas, about the price of the where I can find the flat, how much it will be cost, how to compare the salts, and so on. And you can go to the guide and learn in the guides of each places or Google it. But the thing is that to make a focus of this segment and learn GPT-3 for particular cases of like how much I will spend in Bangkok for living for usual, for example, entire place in an Airbnb. So what they need to know about the city. How about the transport and this important question. So the first point is that just give answers according to the questions. For example, I will ask something and get answer. The second is that um, so you already it will already some questions, and you just need to make fill in the form. So for example, I'm choosing between Bangkok and Kuala Lumpur, and what city will be better, and it will be like the list, like why this city is better, why is this city is cheaper, for example, in these points. This in this city there are many indie hackers. So like some insights, some
This
points
is
what
Nomad List. You are mentioning Nomad List.
yeah, but in know at least um, you need to sit like all day and compare all these cities and so on. And here you can just ask the questions and get like quick answers. I don't know, like it's the idea. We don't judge the ideas
Mhm,
for
mhm.
now. So it will be like nomad. I don't know, nomad helper. I just got this idea because it's like it's very popular now, and really, for example, in Bangkok, you have like very special. Usually, you have very specialized questions like. um for example, the case of today, I tried to find information uh, like coworkings which work in Bangkok 24 hours and where I can buy the uh, membership now. I couldn't find that. I just Google it many times. I just go to Google Maps, but shit, you need to you need to chat with each co-working space and go to there, and it's like a question of little questions in the new city. So yeah, little questions in the new city. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, I have also like small, I think, complementary idea, or maybe I think it's a separate idea. Is just uh, is just an idea generator on how to spend time. It will be even more. It's also good for nomads or just for travelers, or maybe you're just the bored person and you don't have, I don't know, friends in the city or people to spend time with. So it just creates you some ideas, non-trivial ideas. Like if you're in Rome, it will not recommend you to go to Colosseum. It will not go recommend you to go to some like super famous places, but it will recommend you some hidden gems, like uh, some unpopular but very interesting places based on Foursquare or based on some Google reviews, and it will recommend you some like non-trivial ideas for spending time in the cities. The main idea is that these are like non-trivial.
I continue.
Okay, just mention that this is about non-trivial like leisure time. Okay, okay, we have 14 ideas. Maybe we finish here. I want to finish.
Yeah, yes, I think we want to finish too because connection is very bad. So,
Yeah,
but
and
let's talk about the plans to the next day. What we will do tomorrow. So, by the way, I can show you uh, like how we will analyze the ideas and describe the product. Just and you can now, Daniil, while I trying to find this guide, you can say the plan for the
for
tomorrow
the what?
for tomorrow.
Okay, for tomorrow. So tomorrow we will start at the time we at the initial time schedule. We will not miss our time. That's the first part, most important part, because we will make stream from a good location with good connection. Um, yeah, so everything will be in schedule. Then after we start, we will check again our list of ideas, and we will choose. We will start like a tournament to compare the ideas. Also, we will read the feedback from anyone who will leave the feedback. Huh? A- Anyone who left the
Please
feedback,
repeat.
we will read it. Can you hear me?
Yes, now yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we read feedback from people and then we compare the ideas. We will discuss what is the problem they are solving. Maybe we should prepare some kind of like table with values from 1 to 5, and each idea will have a rating based on this table. This table will include like the problem that is so how accurate or how clear is the problem that this idea is solving. Then we will discuss how clear is the customer of this problem, user of this idea who will use it. Is it clear for everyone? Then we will have some kind of question on how fun is this idea to implement. Is it interesting to idea to implement, or is just like I don't know, very regular idea that was developed many times before us. So we discuss it tomorrow, or we will come up with what we do. But yeah, we have to choose the idea tomorrow, and we have to start building the framework with this idea on. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm mistaken, but we will create like jobs to be done. We will use jobs to be done framework. We will create unique value proposition for this idea, and then we will create a user journey map. So we will discuss how the user will interact with this solution, what we're gonna offer, on how we're gonna onboard the client, and everything. So we will prepare this plan on the product. It will be like a very first sketch on the product and product interaction with user. And after that, we will be able to start making a design and develop an MVP. What was the last that you hear from me? Alex, what was the last you heard from me?
I didn't remember. So
He was not listening to me.
no, no, no. I listened to you. You said you said plan for tomorrow. Okay, so
Good, good. Plan for tomorrow. Yes, yes, plan for tomorrow. That's it. That's what I said. Okay, bye. No, I let's just make a summary. Uh, we read the feedback on ideas or discuss them again, choose the one we love. Then we prepare the product frameworks to design the user delivery of this of value from this idea to the user, how the user will acquire this value. And then we will design and start developing MVP. And the good result for tomorrow will be a very first prototype of the product. Hopefully we can finish it by tomorrow, but I'm not sure with the if we will like do it like today. I'm not sure. Today we had very optimistic plan, but everything.
no, like yeah, definitely we will choose idea on the next tomorrow, and Friday we will design it and develop it. Yeah, I want to just what we will do tomorrow. So for your understanding, so we will make like product brief check. So we describe all product points and all develop points. The development points they will help to choose the right platform and the yeah. And there's the next one. We create the user flow of the project, which will help to create the product. We build the product as no-code tool, and yeah, and create it for one day, because when you don't have this file and this planning, you definitely will stuck in some product development questions, and you need to plan it. Yeah. So I think I hope you liked it. If you have a questions, please ask now in the chat. Maybe yeah, we will attach all media, my Twitter, Daniil Twitter, blogs, websites.
Only fans.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. And yeah, I think it so yeah, we had problems. It's our first like mutual stream, right? Yeah, like mutual is the right word. Like is
Mutual.
it is it our first stream together? And we had this idea yesterday, and we didn't know about streaming at all. And I hope you
Yeah,
understand that.
yeah, Alex, but you did like like already 3 streams before.
I did it for only me. I have OBS app which helps do it good, but it's not like this one.
Today was different. Today, new
Yeah.
experience.
Yes. And yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. So we will announce these ideas and this file with ideas. You can uh, poll, right? Poll for these ideas uh, and and uh, uh, and write down your ideas. We will discuss it tomorrow, and definitely tomorrow choose the idea, make a product file for this idea, user flow, and the Friday we'll create it in one stream with no code tool, and yeah, you would see it in live.
Yeah,
And
Alex, where are you going to share the Miro page?
uh,
Maybe in
I
chat here.
yeah, think well, okay, but I do give you rights, right?
Uh, Alex disconnected again.
Yes. Well, yeah, I came back. So, Daniel, do you have last point? Last
Yeah, I didn't hear
message?
you. So how you gonna share the Miro and everything?
Yeah, I think I can send it here
Hmm.
and with only view rights, right? Yeah, the
Hmm.
view rights.
No, no, comment right, so people can comment.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I share here and share also uh, in my blog file blog in Telegram, and Daniel also will share in his Twitter. So yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Okay, guys. Let's finish the stream. Again, sorry about the inconveniences and for these lags and freezes. But tomorrow we will
tomorrow
we
will be
will
better than today.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Anyway, it was good. Thank you everyone for watching. It's
Thank you,
good
Daniel.
to. Thank you, Alex. Was good. Let's try and make it even better tomorrow, and finally start building stuff, not just talking and discussing ideas. Let's make real shit.
Yeah, yeah. So, I know code.
Coordinates. Bye bye.